What are issued shares? Issued shares are the shares a company has sold to shareholders, including promoters, management, institutional and retail investors, and treasury shares. The maximum shares a company can issue is limited by its articles of incorporation, known as authorized shares, which represent the total capital a company can raise. These limits can be amended with shareholder approval. Issued shares are a subset of authorized shares, representing the portion a company has chosen to sell based on its capital requirements. The unissued shares remain available for future fundraising, investor attraction, or employee compensation through stock option plans. For instance, if Company X has authorized capital of 1 billion ordinary shares but only issues 800 million, the remaining 200 million are unissued shares that can be offered later. Issued shares are categorized into outstanding shares and treasury shares.
Right now, Kalkine is offering a 7-day free trial on its premium research reports. Get access to data-driven market insights combined with an in-depth analysis on financial markets across the globe. Don't miss it. Subscribe for the free trial now.
Outstanding shares are actively traded in the secondary market and held by investors, including institutional investors and company management. Treasury shares are repurchased by the company using excess cash, reducing the number of outstanding shares, thereby boosting earnings per share, EPS, and dividends per share, DPS. These shares remain part of issued shares and can be reissued if needed. For example, if Company X issues 800 million shares but later repurchases 100 million, its outstanding shares reduce to 700 million, while the repurchased shares become treasury stock. Treasury shares do not receive dividends or factor into EPS calculations, but they remain part of the issued share count. Ownership in a company is determined by the proportion of issued shares an investor holds. Owning 10% of a company's issued shares means an investor holds a 10% ownership stake, entitling them to 10% of the profits and dividends. The number of issued, outstanding, and treasury shares is detailed in a company's annual report and regulatory filings. For more related videos, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to get notifications.